Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today, we're checking out the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. You may be wondering, why is the setup different? Well, how do I say this? I have a keyboard and I had an older keyboard. The keyboard that I have right now had a scissor stand. I sold that one with the old keyboard, and that scissor stand thing was the thing I used for the wooden plank that I had on top of it, where I normally put things on top of during my unboxing videos. But since I don't have that anymore, I'll be doing it differently, and maybe I'll stick with this, maybe not. I don't know just yet. Maybe you guys can tell me what you like more in the comment section below. Let's unbox. Let me grab my knife. As you can see, it's still sealed. If you don't know what the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is, it's a small action camera. That's what it is. And you may be able to see it on the back. We got a guy on a bike. We got a guy surfing. Yeah, this is an 8K AI powered action camera. Now, there's a lot of information about this, but what's most important thing about this is this thing is waterproof and it's incredibly strong. And I got the dual battery bundle, which costed me about $425. So, and it's a lot of money, honestly, I have to say. You know, I've been saving up for it. This is a really quality box right here. It's actually difficult to open it. This is like Apple quality. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at the quality of this box. It's like, now this is Apple quality stuff right here. I like how small the camera is. Well, I mean, oh, it has some weight to it. I like that. This is the camera. We got a screen here, which can be flipped up. I think there's two buttons. Oh yeah, that's sturdy. And you can film with the lens facing towards you and the screen at the same time, which is kind of one of the reasons I wanted to buy this. The other reason is I can use this as a webcam. I don't have to travel around the world to use this. There's some stickers on here that I will have to remove, but I will do that later. It looks like we have the second battery right here. Very small battery. I thought it would be bigger. Oh, this is a lot thicker than I was expecting. I thought it was just a thin little thingy. Probably use your manuals. We got a charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, and we have a... I don't know what this is, but we'll find out soon. It looks like the shape of the lens, but it looks to be smaller than the lens, so I don't think it's for the lens. And in here we have two more things. One of which is for a... or what you call it, a selfie stick. You can slap this on there. Oh, it's magnetic. I was not expecting that. And you can plop this onto a selfie stick they make. There's another thing, and that's this. It's a thin little piece of plastic. There's a speaker right here, and you can put this on there somehow. Over here we have an entrance, USB-C, and an SD card slot. What do we have on here? It seems to be something for the battery. That's what it looks like to me. Oh, maybe I have to... Oh, it's a little lip thing. Okay, my bad. So you press on this little button, and you slide it down, you flip it up, and there's your battery. It feels like absolute quality. But there is a USB-C and an SD slot right there. I hope you can see that. It's a bit difficult to film this with a webcam. That's definitely going to change with this little camera. It's a lot bigger than I expected, but it's a lot cooler than I expected it to. We have a big old record button. You can take pictures with this. You can take ultra wide videos with this. With the AI, it actually corrects the curvature of the ultra wide effect. This is a really cool looking camera. It weighs a decent amount. It's not too much. And the quality of the box, you hear that? It sounds very dry. I hope you don't have that thing where, you know, I guess you could compare it to the teacher scraping their nails on the whiteboard. Or not the whiteboard, what do you call that? The where you put the chalk. It's awful. That sound... It hurts my hands thinking about that sound. Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna set everything up, and the next part of the video will be filmed with this. Alright, you guys, this is what it looks like now. As you can see, that was the webcam I was filming with a second ago. Yeah, I know the light is bright, but I'm using the Insta360 now, and it's pretty damn cool that I can use it as a webcam. 120 FPS, which is crazy good for slow motion parts of videos or something like that. This will definitely be somewhat of a game changer for the channel. I can now have my phone without being like, oh, wait, what's going on? What's going on? You know? I'm going to rate this product a 9.5 out of 10. I'm gonna say 9.5 out of 10 because of the fact that I can't just slap it onto a tripod like I have right over there. Ignore the mess in the background, but but yeah, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 doesn't have a single hole for that, but that's okay because I'll make sure to get something that will allow me to put it up on a tripod. All right, y'all, that's the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Why did I say that? All right, y'all, that's the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Now to the accessories. Let's hop over to the invisible selfie stick by Insta360. I do apologize for the different quality of this video since you're not able to actually watch me unbox it. I'll still try to give you guys a good impression on the product itself. This is the selfie stick. Has a little thing that is similar to your tripod screw. It actually is the same screw type, so you're able to fit whatever you want on there. It also has a screw hole, so you can put the selfie stick on there, and you can expand it like so. It's pretty long, as you can see. With extra arm length, it obviously becomes extra tall. Azakata. The next thing I should go for is probably this little guy, which is a little screw thing, which also has one of those holes. You could put that on the selfie stick, or you could put this on the tripod. But this goes with this little piece. You take the screw out, put this on there, screw that on. Then you put your Insta360 Ace Pro 2 on, and you can screw this onto your tripod or your invisible selfie stick. Then there's one last thing. That is this, which is just a thing to put around your selfie stick. Slide that on. Let me just make sure that it's aligned. You just slide that on there like so. Alright, and you just slide that on. I have a bit more grip on the selfie stick. I guess it's just better to hold it all onto it now, I guess. Yeah, I might be able to use this in a different kind of way to properly mount this somehow to be a webcam style idea. Anyway, I'm giving the selfie stick, without the handlebar thing that I've just added, the rubber handlebar thing, I'm gonna give it a 6 because it could be better. There's definitely some room for improvement, but no hate to them, of course. Props for the little screw hole on the bottom and the top, allowing for different ways of using it. The handlebar itself, I mean, it does what it's supposed to do, so I can only give it a 9.5 out of 10 because I feel like there might be some room for improvement. Because, like, for myself, I sometimes have dry hands, and touching rubber things, that can definitely affect the way I deal with this, because if my hands are dry, I'm just gonna be, ugh, you know, I don't like that. So there's room for improvement in that, but overall, really good. This little thing, I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. 9.5 out of 10. I did notice a little bit of an issue with screwing it in, but it's not that big of a deal. I'll just have to make sure to keep an eye out on that. And that's pretty much that for this video. Make sure to let me know in the comment section below what you liked and what you didn't like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.